It all starts with incremental angle control. INCRA's AngleLOCK protractor heads set a new standard for what you should expect from a miter gauge. Each protractor head begins with heavy gauge steel plate that is CNC laser cut to include a series of precisely located V-notches. These V-notches become the basis for INCRA's patented incremental angle control mechanism. Just index the actuator tooth into the selected V-notch and lock your angle in place for perfect cutting results. The numbers speak for themselves. Your standard issue miter gauge has only 3 angle index stops. These expensive alternatives have up to 12. But with INCRA's exclusive AngleLOCK protractors, angle indexing is more than a token offering. From the economical V27 with 27 angle index stops to the powerful Miter 3000 with 364, mitered projects like these have never been more accessible